Hello class. So here is a fun resource that you guys can click on the link to use to practice our place value skills. So it says eat the ghost with 800 plus 70 plus 8. So that is an expanded form. So that would be 878. Oh, I see him. Let's try another one. So eat the ghost with 100 plus 80 plus 1. Again, that's an expanded form, so we're looking for 181. Eat the ghost with 300 plus 0 plus 0, which would be 300. 800 plus 70 plus 4, an expanded form, would be 874.